Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss one of the most important topics in accounting, liabilities. This video will help students and learners understand the concept clearly with practical example. So let's get started. Now, what are liabilities? Liabilities are the amounts a business owes to others. In simple words, liability, business financial obligations or debts. A business must pay these amounts in the future. For example, loans, creditors, bills payable, wages payable, tax payable, etc. Now, types of liabilities. Liabilities are mainly divided into two categories. One is current liabilities, that is short-term liabilities, and another is non-current liabilities, that is long-term liabilities. Current liabilities. These are liabilities that must be paid within 1 year. Example, trade creditors, that is accounts payable, bills payable, short-term loans, bank overdraft, outstanding expenses, that is salary payable, rent payable, tax payable, that is VAT payable, income tax payable, customer advance, that is advance received for service or product. These are short-term obligations. Non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities that will be paid after 1 year. This is long-term liabilities. For example, long-term bank loan, debenture, long-term lease liabilities, mortgage loan, bond payable. These are big debts that take many years to repay. There are also other classifications of liabilities. These are fixed liabilities and contingent liabilities. Fixed liabilities are permanent liabilities that do not change frequently. Capital long-term loans are fixed liabilities. Contingent liabilities. Contingent liabilities may or may not happen depending on future events. Court case liabilities, guarantee for another company's loan, bills discount but not yet matured are the example of contingent liabilities. These are shown in notes to financial statements. At last, summary table of liabilities. Current liabilities pay within 1 year. Creditors, bills payable, salary payable are current liabilities. Non-current liabilities, that is pay after 1 year. Long-term loan, debenture are example of non-current liabilities. Fixed liabilities, that is permanent obligation. Capital, long-term loan are example of fixed liabilities. Contingent liabilities, possible future obligations. Court case guarantees are example of contingent liabilities. So, this is all about liabilities in accounting. I hope this video helped you understand the topic clearly. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you found it useful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more accounting tutorials. See you in the next video.